Aw, Merle. I love you, too.
Even the burpings of you are musica to the ears of me.
Yay! Now here's the list of the things I found under my bed. Popsicles, a hamster cage, unicycle, winter's car. Drinking my buttermilk. I can count on growing up with a serious lactose intolerance. And even though I won't...
Oh, he's right.
Those guys were disgusting.
It sort of feels like...
Oh, excuse me.
Mama has a warm, happy feeling inside.
Yellow!
A little soda for the river.
The trick is to clench your stomach muscles to crush the food and push out the...
So beautiful.
That's early, Bug. Oh, please don't be angry. I cheated on my diet.
My crop! My whole crop!
Yeah, not yet. Oh, wait, something's coming. Something's coming. Oh, it's just a burp. I'm gassy. Wall, maybe pictures.
What are you talking about? Art? Building with art?
I'm still gassy.
What about the war?
Oh, don't you think I know that? It's just an expression. God, he just doesn't get it. Wait. 잘 먹었다. 体の動きが鈍いですわ。やっぱり昨日焼肉を食べ過ぎたかしら。
バルコさん、お腹のお肉が重そうですわね。
Excuse me. Does anyone else's tummy feel weird?
What are you talking about? Hops and I were just eating lunch.
Let's go!
Sweet, 6-footer.
Sorry, Lynn. It's a me and Clyde thing.
Thanks, bro.
Oh, come on. It's not so bad.
Yeah, for you, the girl who eats trash hoagies.
You know, sometimes you just gotta step out of your comfort zone.
Cup a squat. Tea's getting cold. And now the entertainment.